Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia and in this video I would like to draw with you this spread with seashells. Yeah, and before we go ahead and do so, please subscribe to our channel, hit the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and maybe also like our video. And here's what you need. First of all, the scribbles that matter, then a Tombow dual brush pen N15, and two colors in 743 and 873, a micron fine liner, and a white Sharpie. And once you have all that, let's get started. For this weekly spread I use a double page, so I need both sides, and I'm going to draw everything manually. I didn't want to have the pencil, and I didn't want to have to rub everything off actually, so I thought I'd completely draw it manually. But if you do the same, make sure you first count all the boxes so you have it all alike, and all the thing you need at least the same height and the same width of the boxes, and you need 7 of them, so make sure you count that correctly first. So, and once you've done that, make sure you start with the seashells. If you don't do that, it might look a bit strange because you need them in front of the boxes actually, so you need to be careful here. Draw them into the edges on the bottom left. That's how I do it here. I draw first my seashell and then I add the box, and then after that I go with both lines from left and right into the middle and count again, and then I draw a circle around. It doesn't have to be 100% because I'm using the Tombow brush pen and fill the circle with black, so it's a little bit forgiving here. But you can see I always first draw my seashell, and yeah, I'm counting I'm counting all the time because then I make sure that I stay in line and that it looks good later. also thought this spread looks better if I add some sparkle. So I add some sparkle and some stars here. Not sure if I add it to each box, but you know, for now I thought the seashell here on bottom left looks good with some sparkle. On top left, I now start with the title for the month, and I thought I already draw March because, you know, I want to be ahead of time this time, because usually I'm totally behind and I really wanted to be ahead and have my spreads ready to go for the month. I always like to plan ahead. Maybe you are the same. Let me know in the comments. It's very interesting how you plan and to learn more about the style others plan. So maybe you have a good tip for me here. And you know, I need a little monthly box here, so I just want to have a quick monthly overview. I am used to do that on each spread I have. I know it's a lot of work, but I like that. You can also do it with a stamp. That's also a good idea. So you don't need to worry that you have it right, but often I just don't get it right and it looks terrible. So that's why it might be a good idea for you as well to just have a stamp here, stamp it first, and then you add the finishing touches. And now I go over it with a white Sharpie and add the dates, yeah, when for me the month starts, and then I add the days of the week, as you can see here. And yeah, basically now I'm done, but I want to color it a little bit. It's the most fun part, I think. And I start with a light peachy pen here, and I want a light shade first. You see, I don't do it really straight. I just go over it a little bit here and a little bit there. So it really doesn't matter. You don't have to be super accurate. It looks better if you are not, I think. So, and then you use a darker one and you set some shading. And because the two colors fit nicely together, I think it looks good. So if you like it too, of course you can use completely different colors, but I'm going to link those in the info box below. Yeah, that's it. We are nearly done with our weekly spread for March. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if so, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and also hit the like button. Thank you if you do that. And then I really hope to see you in the next video. Until then, bye.